Transfer of height.
Okay, the very first early inefficiency that I have discovered is providing unit of measure. Okay, yung isundan wala man no, pero naingon man ko butangan og unit of measure. Another is the inappropriate use of curve segment. This curve here is not in consonance with the middle point. So dapat nakakumpas na siya with the correct radius. Okay, so wrong na siya. Also, this one is wrong. Supposed to be ana rana. Okay. Kanli mo rin gamitan ni compass. But wala siya yung arrowhead. To establish the boundaries. So let's check on the elevation. So in my exam guide, the elevation is not aligned with the ground line. So this is now correct. All the projection of the sight lines. In this case, the setup is different from this one since Francesca is using this outer outline of the box as the origin. So let's call this this one here is the origin. So when you say origin, that's where the zero beginning in measuring. So this one is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, Francesca, no? Kisay Francesca? Nasa likod. Francesca, dali diri kay imo akong i-sample.
Mo, di wala siya ganun.
Hindi kay okay, drafting wise, this is really excellent, no? The discipline. Okay? So, in the purpose of projection is to get the height of the elevation because this is where the data of the heights are placed. So, I will demonstrate in this one. This first run is correct. That's correct. So, which part of this got this process wrong? Remember, this is the origin. You have to see at the plan how many travels do you have to transfer before you arrive here. This is the point you are looking for. Right? This is the point. So you have to travel 1, 2, 3 from here. If you count that from elevation, 1, okay, and then that's 1. And then this is point number 2. Asama na. Correct. Yeah. But it's not yet the correct height location. You have not arrived yet. You still have to run here. So asam na siya. Pangita ka dali. Wait. This one. So this is the second run. So akong i-demonstrate into invisible line ha. So this is the second run. Then the third pass is ako lang i-overlay gamay. Okay, so this is here. You're not arrived yet. You still have one run. So which is okay, so you have arrived at a location. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this line should be located here. This is your true height. This is wrong. This is wrong. Have you realized na? Na-realize na ninyo? Now, we'll try the back part. This one. Actually, with this, you can locate that one already. Diba? With this point, malocate na ni mo true vanishing point. But let us check. So, another na sadta. Let's find the height here. 1, 2. You have two passes. 1, 2. So, on the other side, kanina siya. On the other side, kanina corner. So, let's try to locate that one. 1, 2, 3. Here. Kanina. Okay. So, your back part